1928, Britain constituted a commission. Head was the Sir John Simon. So the commission was also named as the Simon Commission. When the Simon Commission arrived in India in 1928, the people took a slogan, "Go back, Simon," because the Indians were against this Simon Commission. This commission was made to look after the functioning of the constitutional system in India. Then in October 29, all the parties including the Congress and the Muslim League, they have participated in the demonstrations, and in an effort to win over them, the Viceroy Lord Irwin, he has announced the round table conference to discuss the future constitution, and he has invited the Mahatma Gandhi to be a part of that round table conference, but the Congress did not satisfy with this invitation, so the Congress do not go for this first round table conference. So in December 1929, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, they have Congress have formalized the demand of the Purna Swaraj, or the complete independence. So they have declared that 26th January 1930, they declared it that 26th January 1930 will celebrated as the Independence Day, but it does not attracted much attention of the everyday life people. So in January 31, 1930, in 1930, Mahatma Gandhi written a letter to the Viceroy Lord Irwin, and in that letter he has mentioned the 11 demands. He said if his 11 demands will not be fulfilled up to the 11th of March, then he will launch the civil disobedience campaign, on the 12th March. And salt tax was also one of that 11 demands, as the salt is the material which is the commonly used, it is the essential item of our food. So the tax on salt, and the government have a monopoly over the production. So Mahatma Gandhi revealed the most oppressive phase of the British rule. Mahatma Gandhi said that this salt tax should be abolished because it is the commonly used thing. So up to the 11th March, they haven't replied this letter. They haven't fulfilled the demand. In response to this, on 12th March, Mahatma Gandhi has started the Dandi March, or we called it as the Salt March. He has started from his Sabarmati ashram and went to the Dandi with his 78 members. He covered the distance of 240 miles. This Dandi March was the beginning of civil disobedience movement. On April 30,